Hello everyone. I am Sayantika Dhar, a student of Food and Nutrition, 5th semester of Shet Andhram Joypuriya College. On the celebration of National Nutritional Month, I have participated in the recipe contest. So today I am going to make an amazing Mornay Sauce Macaroni. So here it is. Though the name of the recipe is quite different, but this is a very easy recipe to follow and it comes out absolutely creamy and beautiful with that of Mornay sauce coating the pasta completely. So let's get on to the recipe. For making this, I need the ingredients that are pasta, carrot, capsicum, corns, beans, milk, maida, salt, black pepper powder, red chili powder, mixed herb seasoning, butter, oil, water. To prepare this creamy macaroni, at first boil the pasta. Here I have taken about 3 to 4 cups of water for boiling. So here I have 1 cup of macaroni which is around 100 grams. And while it is boiling, I am going to add it some salt and a half teaspoon of oil and mix that. Let it boil in medium flame for about 6 to 7 minutes or until it cooked up to 80%. So it is almost 7 minutes. I'll just cut this to show you the perfect stage to remove the pasta. Now I am going to strain the pasta. Now keep it aside. After that, in a pan, I am going to add it 2 tablespoons of oil over medium flame. Once that is heated, I am going to add it 1 small chopped carrot, half a capsicum cut into cubes like this, small amount of beans, and cook these vegetables just for about 2 minutes. After that, I am going to add it a handful of boiled corns and cook these vegetables just for several 2 minutes. Now they are slightly tendered. Next, I am going to add it some salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and mix that as well. After that, switch off the flame and keep this aside for now. To prepare the Mornay sauce, in a pan over medium flame, I am going to take 2 tablespoons of butter, once that is heated, I am going to add it 2 tablespoons of maida. And after mixing the maida, keep tossing it over low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. So after about 4 minutes, I can see the color of the maida has changed to slightly pale. So now I will start adding the milk gradually. So here I am adding 2 cups of milk. Keep mixing it, otherwise lump formation occurs. After mixing it for 3 to 4 minutes, you can see the mixture becoming little thicker and all the lumps are gone. Now I will add it some salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of mixed herb seasoning, and half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, and mix it well. Now the sauce is prepared with a perfect coating consistency for putting the macaroni. Now I am going to add it the prepared vegetables and mix that as well. Now I am going to add it the boiled macaroni and mix it very well until all the veggies and the macaroni are nicely coated with the white sauce. So let it cook further for about 2 to 3 minutes. So it is almost 2 minutes. Now it is ready to serve. You can serve this with some extra red chili flakes and mixed herb seasoning on top. So here you go, the homemade cafe style creamy Mornay sauce macaroni is ready. Thanks for watching.